Well, hello there, fellow blogger. My name is David Cowgill, founder of eBlog Templates, and I just wanted to congratulate you on your recent purchase of the Revolution Church Premium Blogger Template. And in this video, I'm going to step through each gadget and help you set it up so your blogger template will look exactly like the demo site does. Are you ready? Let's begin. So after you've downloaded the actual Revolution Church Premium Blogger Template, what you're going to do is log into your Blogger account. And once you log in, you're going to click on the Layouts tab, and then you're going to click on the Edit HTML tab. And you can see I'm already here. And what you're going to want to do before we actually import the new template you just download is back up your previous template. And it's actually quite easy to do, and I'm going to show you quickly how to do this. And what you're going to do is first, when you get to this screen, you want to check this box, expand widget templates, and then you're going to click in the box here. And what I'm going to do is right click and I'm going to highlight select all, and that's going to select all the content, or excuse me, all the template code and widgets and gadgets that you have in here. And what you're going to do is right click again and select copy. And from here, I'm going to open a notepad and I'm going to right click again and hit paste. And this might look like a bunch of gibberish to you, but all this code right here, this is your existing template. And it's important that you save this because it has your gadgets in there and any other special gadgets that you might have saved. So from here, you're just going to do save, file, save as. And I'm just going to save this as my Blogger backup template. And you want to make sure to change the extension to .xml. And in the save as type, you also want to change that from the text to all files. Now when I hit save, it's going to save this actual template as a backup. So if there's anything that happens or goes wrong during this process, I can just copy this and refer right back to this template code. Okay, so now that we've made a backup, we're safe to move forward. And what we're going to do is first open the new template code in a text editor. And the reason we're going to do this is because we need to edit a couple of items prior to loading the template into Blogger, which unfortunately you cannot do within the Blogger interface. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up WordPad. You can use any sort of text editor, whatever your preference is. There's Notepad, there's WordPad, and Macs have a certain text editor as well. Feel free to use any of them. What I'm going to do is do File, Open, and I'm going to select the downloaded XML template that I just got, open that, and you're going to see the template code right here. Don't be afraid, we're not going to do very much in this since this template was designed very efficiently, and 95% of the changes are within the gadgets and the Blogger interface. Just unfortunately, since we're using Feedburner for our feed subscriptions, we need to come in here and make a couple of quick changes before we can load the template. So now what you're going to do is you're going to search for a specific code, and we're going to do find, and what we want to look for is Feedburner, and then you're going to hit find next. And what that's going to do is bring you down to the first instance of where we need to make a change. So there's a couple of spots in here. The first one being here where it says your feed name here. This is what you need to change to your feed name. And if you don't already have a Feedburner account, you're going to need to set one up. And that's fairly easy. And honestly, if you don't want to use the Feedburner functionality, that's fine as well. All you have to do is once you basically go back to your Blogger template, it's this section right here which uses Feedburner. If you don't want to have people to give them the ability to email, get email subscriptions or subscribe via Feedburner, then you can just remove this module altogether and skip this part of the tutorial. If you do want to use this advanced feature, which I'd recommend because Feedburner is a very powerful and free tool which shows you how many subscribers you have, what content they're reading, and it also gives you an email list of people that are subscribed. So with that being said, all you have to do is burn a new feed if you want to set up Feedburner.